Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. Open your favorite browser, search for kali.org, download. I want to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. Select VMware Workstation. I recommend to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation Pro because VMware Workstation Pro is free for personal use, and also you can install on VirtualBox or Hyper-V, but it is easy to use on VMware Workstation. Click on download. I have already downloaded this software. Come to download. Here I have Kali Linux 2025.4. It is zip. You can unzip with WinRAR or 7-zip. I want to unzip with WinRAR. Extract file here. It will take a few moments. Please wait patiently. When it is finished, open VMware Workstation. If you don't have already installed VMware Workstation, you can download VMware Workstation Pro from Broadcom website. And also I have separate video for downloading and installing VMware Workstation Pro. You can find this video on the description if you need. Now let's install Kali Linux. Here click on open virtual machine. Find the Kali you extract before. I extract on download. Here I have Kali Linux. Open. We need this file Kali Linux. It is .vmx. Select it. Open. 2 GB is enough. It has 4 processor and also 80 gig hard disk, but you can change it if you want. Come to edit virtual machine. Here you can select more RAM. I recommend to select 4 if you have. If you don't have, 2 is also enough. If you have, you can select 8 or 16. I have 16 gig RAM. I want to select, for example, 5. 4 processor is enough. A hard disk is also enough. Network adapter, it is not. You can change it on host only, or you can select bridge, but I recommend not is okay. Then come to USB, select USB 3. Sound is also okay. Display is also okay. Leave as default. Then click on OK. Click on power on this virtual machine or click on this blue button. Click on power on. I want to full screen it. Guys, please like this video. If this video is helpful, subscribe the channel for more useful content. This step will take a few moments. Now the default username is Collie, and also the default password is also Collie. Login. Okay, now we successfully install Call Linux on VMware Workstation Pro. Have a good time. See you soon.